in here. I was just like really rocking it. Here I am laying under my car. I think I'm going to drain the transmission fluid or the gear oil and see if I find any metal parts in it. See if we can get this loose. Found my 23mm ratchet. Oh, I guess I did this many moons ago. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. No. Okay. Let's see all the cruddy gear oil coming out. And hopefully I'll get it in the buckets. Like, since it looks good, I'm going to have to reuse it. Here it comes. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What does that mean? Spinning the wheel. See, this one going forward, this one's going backwards. Oh, it just stopped. And I just listened. Wow, I know that's... Oh, now it's going the opposite direction. Now it's hard to turn. It's in 5th gear still. Now nothing. The other one's not spinning, this one is. It's in 5th gear. Now I'm going backwards. The other one started spinning. Now it stopped. And the fluid's still trickling out. I have it in 1st gear. And the other wheel's on the ground. And this wheel can spin freely. And it's just spinning. And the CV axle is spinning. You see, there we go. See that? So that's spinning. The other wheel's on the ground. And it's in 1st gear. Is that a problem? I don't know. Here's my half shaft on the driver's side. And if I can get in here, I was just like really rocking it. And it doesn't move much at all. So it seems pretty tight. And let's see if we can get in there. Oh, it looks like it's in there pretty good. And this side looks fine. There was no movement either when I shook it. So this side might be fine. Okay, this is in 5th gear. It's spinning freely. Just a little gold, but nothing crazy. I was really hoping that I would find chunks, but I didn't. Nothing came out in the pan. Just basic old, I guess, bronze synchro rings. And this is what I had in it. I had the Redline MT90, and that's how dark it is right now. So let's see if I can open this. I had a little bit left. Oh, where'd it? Oh, wow, did it. Let's see how the different color. I'm just gonna pour a little bit in. See the different color, if there is. No, it's not. No, it's about the same color. Okay, I don't want to waste it. I mean, yeah, it's definitely. Actually, it's definitely clearer. It's not as black as that stuff.